Securities are honored to welcome you here at the Future of Trading, Unlocking the Potential of Automated Trading. Let me help welcome the Chief Executive Officer of Mac Media Incorporated, Mr. MJ Buera.
Kasi yun nga yung magpupunta sa atin to the next level. Hindi man to the next level, pero madidevelop yung ability natin to adapt. It's all about positioning and yung sinusundan kong 3 pillars of skills na kailangan natin habang nag-grind tayo, which is what? 1, we need to be the best at what we do. Your ability to become irreplaceable. Pinakapangatlong skill na kailangan natin, we should be on high demand.
Let's give a round of applause for Mr. Tarik Gutierrez Tensuan, also known as Coach T.
There's no holy grail in trading. There's no holy grail strategy. Yung mga nababasa mo, napapanood mo sa YouTube na, SMC, the smart money concept, whatsoever. Okay, I have nothing against them. But I'm just saying, there's no holy grail in trading. Automated trading is, from the term itself, it's automated. Wala kang kailangang participation or very minimal lang yung participation mo. Potential with automated trading, it allows traders to pursue other activities while trading.
Let's give a warm welcome to the Chief Operating Officer of ACY Securities, Mr. Ashley Jessen.
So I'm also going to talk about real traders, real lives, because my goal is to open you up to the ideas that are possible. I'm going to share with you some very experienced traders and their results, and some newbie traders and their results, and you can see where you fit in because everything is possible in the markets. It's a lifelong skill. So what you learn now, you will carry forward for the rest of your life.
If you want to be a day trader, then focus on a market that is stable, has a lot of liquidity, and enough volatility. The best investment that you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you learn.